Welcome back everybody to the Crypto Ellis channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about the eGLD token. I'm going to be giving you my updated price prediction for this cryptocurrency in the year 2021. So I made a video on this in December. My price prediction has already been smashed, so that is why I'm bringing you a new price prediction today. I'm going to be telling you why it has gone up so quickly at the start of the year and why it could potentially still go up towards the end of the year. This was actually my best call from the year 2020. I brought this to your attention at its lowest point at $8.71. And as you can see, it's already gone pretty crazy. But before we go any further, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're always notified every time I upload here to the channel. I'm not a financial advisor, so please always do your own research. I'm not partnered, paid, or affiliated with any of the cryptocurrencies mentioned in this video today. And if you didn't know, I've got a Telegram group. I will leave the link to that down below in the video description, completely free for you to join. So the eGLD token is currently at $151. It's absolutely skyrocketed since the video where it was $8.71. I covered this cryptocurrency quite a lot in the year 2020. I'll show you that in a second. The best place to buy this cryptocurrency is over on Binance. It's got a market cap of $2.4 billion, so it will take quite a lot of money to move this cryptocurrency up in price. But what is one of the main advantages for this cryptocurrency is its circulating maximum and total supply. A lot of people will see the total supply and think that is exactly like Bitcoin's total supply. This could potentially go and do what Bitcoin has done and go past $10,000. I personally don't believe that the eGLD token is going to go past $10,000 anytime soon, but the $1,000 mark is very realistic now, especially how quickly this cryptocurrency has gone up in the last few weeks. Please, please, please always remember to do your full research and avoid buying at the top and buy it as low as you can. Always try and wait for the dips. Of course, this cryptocurrency might not get a dip and it might just skyrocket from here and go past $200, $300, $400. But that is the risk you're going to have to take, because I don't want you buying a cryptocurrency at its all-time high and then having to hold on to that for a few years like a lot of people did in 2018. And always make sure you've got your stop losses on as well. So let's go over to my cryptocurrency YouTube channel, the channel that you are currently on. So the first time I made a video on this cryptocurrency was 6 months ago. As you can see here, I was basically saying what the Elrond blockchain was and what Elrond was. And then I didn't know at the time of making this video that there was actually a ERD to eGLD swap happening. So the ERD token was their old token and they swapped over to the eGLD token, and this basically is what has changed Elrond for the better and has made Elrond go to where it is right now, publicity wise, people using their apps and people getting a lot of gains from the token itself. A lot of people didn't like what they did with the token at the start, and when it officially changed over to the eGLD token, a lot of people were selling. A lot of people, when it went down to $8.71, they were commenting in the comment section of that video that I did make saying this is a scam, do not buy the eGLD token. But as you can see, the eGLD token has absolutely skyrocketed, and this is definitely not a scam because Elrond are backing up everything they say they are going to do. They're backing it up with partnerships, they're backing it up with publicity, they're backing up with bringing the apps out that they say they're going to do. They are doing a fantastic job in my personal opinion. So in the year 2020, I probably made over 10 videos, maybe even more, on Elrond, on the eGLD token, on the token swap, and all of those good things. So I'm definitely not making this video for the hype of Elrond going up right now. If you're watching this video, you guys know that I've been covering Elrond and the eGLD token for quite a while, so pretty much consistently since the last 6 months. And then this is the video in question. So Elrond eGLD catalyst sale, what you need to know. So basically a catalyst sale is over on crypto.com where you can get 50% off certain cryptocurrencies. So as you can see right here, the eGLD token was at $8.71. This is when everyone was saying, oh, the eGLD token has gone from $20 to $8.71. Big scam. Do not buy it. But as you can see, it's had a massive recovery since then. So even though here is $8.71, if you would have got in on the catalyst sale, you probably could have had this for around $4. $4 for a cryptocurrency that's already gone past $150 and is going to continue to shoot up in the long-term future, in my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor, but yeah, crazy price that it did go to in the month of September. So that was on September the 23rd, and in around 5 months, 5 to 6 months, it's already done around a 20x. And if you would have invested $8,771 into this cryptocurrency at the time of this video, then that would probably be worth over $100,000 right now. And then when it eventually gets to $1,000, which I truly do believe it will do, this cryptocurrency right here would have been your $1 million cryptocurrency. So what's been going on with Elrond to make this eGold token go up as much as it has? So last week in Elrond and in the eGold token, the world is ready. You can now go onto their app and start using it. 2 million transactions milestone. So 2 million transactions have happened now over on the Elrond network. Over 100,000 people are now over on the app in under 6 days. That's an insane amount of people to have on their new application in just under 6 days. And then Time to Build Together thread by Ben. So he is the founder of the Elrond. We'll go and take a look at that thread in a minute. Gamified NFT DeFi via Chain Guardians. This looks really interesting because, like I said to you, the NFTs are going to take off this year. Logan Paul's already doing something big over with the Pokemon scene, but he's also doing NFTs with that, and they are going to be taking off this year. And if we go down here as well, they've got scalable data streams via Razor Network oracles. They've got automated cross-chain DeFi with CyberFi Tech, and then a load of other things that have been happening in the last week for the Elrond and the eGold token. So this is just in the last week, and since the start of January they've been doing a lot of other things as well, which is absolutely fantastic. And this is the thread that they were talking about. Basically this thread is showing to you all the people that have been covering Elrond and the eGold token in the last few weeks. As you can see, it's been covered by quite a few big news outlets, and then if we go down here as well, it's also been covered by quite a lot of big YouTubers. Ivan on Tech's been covering it, Altcoin Bud's been covering it, Crypto Zombie, a load of big YouTubers have been covering this cryptocurrency. This is good because this cryptocurrency is getting coverage all around the world. So it's not just getting coverage in the country that it was actually built in, it's actually getting coverage right now all around the world, in America, over in Asia, over in Europe. It's fantastic to see Elrond get the publicity that it does deserve. And if we go over here, so for the past 6 months after launch, Elrond has reached 115 accounts and processed 1 million transactions. But in the first 6 days, well, it says 4 days here, but it's been longer since the app did go live. It's already done over 200,000 accounts have been reaching over 2 million transactions, which is absolutely insane to get that amount of traction very early on with the application. And then the snowball momentum effect is going to be happening right now with Elrond and the eGold token. And as you can see right here, a load of exposure over in the US, and then more exposure over in France and other European countries. And if we go over to this as well, they also got listed over on Coinbase custody. So basically this means that big investors can now come and invest in the eGold token, which is absolutely fantastic because this means big amounts of money can come into this cryptocurrency. And also the reasons why I believe it's going to continue to go up is it's got a massive ecosystem, as you can see here. So a lot of places where Elrond network and the eGold token can be used. And then if we go over to their roadmap as well, they got the DeFi digital identity and then other DeFi things coming in the second quarter of 2021. So it's coming pretty much right now as I am making this video. Between now and maybe May, that is when we're going to get more DeFi stuff. And Elrond are adding new people to their team. They're adding new partnerships. They're also doing a load of new things on their network and always updating their network and updating the application so it works perfectly and so more people can use it. So those are all the reasons why the Elrond token, the eGold token, has been going up in the last week and in the last few weeks since the start of the year. And these are the reasons why I believe that the Elrond token is going to continue to go up, because they're not just doing the application, they're not just making their network, their blockchain one of the best ones out there, one of the quickest ones out there, they're also getting their key partnerships with the different cryptocurrency spaces that they need to get the partnerships with. So like the NFTs, they are going to be big this year, and they're getting partnerships with these NFT DeFis. They're also getting partnerships with other DeFi cryptocurrencies as well, which is going to make more people see Elrond, which is going to make more people use the Elrond blockchain, and more people go to their application, and also more people use their eGold token. Like I said, I've covered Elrond quite a lot of times, but the Elrond price right now is at $151.66. It's just continuing to go up even higher every single day. I think for the last week now, I've seen it in the green by at least 5 to 10% for the last week, nearly every single day. So where does that take us with our price prediction? I personally believe that Elrond is going to continue to go up from here. I would say definitely wait and see if you can get a dip. If the market dips, so if Bitcoin dips and the other cryptocurrencies dip, then we could potentially see Elrond dip, and we could potentially see it go back to maybe $120, maybe $110, which would be an absolute steal. But if the market continues to rise, if Bitcoin continues to rise, if Bitcoin gets more publicity, if Elon Musk goes and tweets out about other cryptocurrencies, which is obviously good for the cryptocurrency space, if Elrond get more publicity in other parts of the world, if Elrond gets more partnerships, if Elrond, the eGLD token, gets more use cases, because it's already got a lot of use cases, then this token will absolutely shoot up in the year 2021. A lot of people are comparing this to Ethereum. They're saying if you get in now, or if you would have gotten earlier with the eGLD token, it's like getting in on Ethereum early. And we've all seen what Ethereum's already done. It's going close to $2,000, and once it goes above $2,000, a lot of people will probably go and invest in that, but then they'll look for other cryptocurrencies like Elrond and the eGLD token, and they'll go invest in these cryptocurrencies. And what we got to remember with Ethereum is once Ethereum goes that high, the fees go absolutely insane. But with the eGLD token, there's pretty much no fees, which is one of the biggest benefits for the Elrond blockchain, and one of the biggest benefits that people come to the Elrond blockchain. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for, the price prediction for 2021. So if you watched the video in December, the price prediction was that it was going to get to $100 for the whole of 2021. Obviously, it's gone much higher than that already. As you can see, it's now at $152. So my price prediction for the year 2021 is I believe it's going to go to around $250, and then the market cap would be around 4.22 billion. Then it's going to go to around $500 with a market cap of 8.45 billion. Then it's going to go to around $750 with a market cap of $12.68 billion. This, of course, is them getting everything done on their roadmap, them bringing out a new roadmap, them getting more partnerships, them getting more use cases for the eGLD token, more people coming onto the application, and the continued growth of the cryptocurrency market in general. This is where I see the prices going with the eGLD token in the next few months and towards the end of the year. And also what you've got to remember is the circulating supply is already pretty low, and then the maximum supply is going to be 31.4 million, but that does not ever get reached. Go and do your own research into that. I've already mentioned why it'll never get reached in previous videos. And then the total supply is only 21.1 million, very, very low for cryptocurrency. Best place to buy this is over on Binance. Let me know what you think about the price prediction down below in the comments section, and let me know if you're holding the eGLD token. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I hope you did invest in this cryptocurrency when I did mention it at $8.71. If you did, I hope you're very happy with your investment. Always make sure you're doing your own research, and I'll see you in the next video.